Guys, please confirm to me. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Am I audible, guys? Please confirm to me. Guys, please confirm to me. Are able to get my voice on screen? Am I audible? And check it what we completed in the last session. What topics here we are understanding there. Multi-threading, the required part we completed. Then as per the view, the next concept in multi-threading, right, almost all we completed the concepts in multi-threading. All right, sir. I don't know how long it is running there, but if it is the case, then we have to, depending on this one. Okay. All right, sir. Then today's topic is IO streams. IO streams is the next topic. All right, sir. Okay. And so on Monday, Christmas, I think so, right? All right, maximum I want to give holiday on that particular day. If all of you are interested, I'm ready to take class. So then if all of you are interested, then it's okay. No, I don't have any problem. At least 1.5 hour class in online. No? Holiday. Offline class. No offline class. People are asking to me. See, moreover, people are thinking, I'm thinking about it. Then at least one day if I give gap, you may go for practice. Of course, you will not go for practice. It's an open secret. All right. At the end of the class, just give information to me. I'll plan for it. Okay. All right, sir. End of the class, just give intimation to me so that you can plan for it. I think previously I given this as an announcement on that Christmas Day I want to give holiday. Okay, maybe we'll check it today. Then today at the end of the class we'll discuss about it. Right. Now, first of all, come to the IO streams topic, IO streams class. And one more small information to you, but it is not mandatory at present. Even it is too early to talk about it. Better what I'm suggesting to you, just a suggestion, not mandatory. Better to wear masks if it is possible. Not mandatory, but still that situation is not in a too much situation there. But still better to wear masks if it is a case. Why? Because some movement is identified in outside. Okay, in Hyderabad also be some cases are coming. Then how much it is in fast it is spreading, we don't know. But better safe side. Don't be panic for it. Don't be panic. But I'm sure I'm not going to wear mask. Sure. How it's sir? How it is possible to wear mask for me to teach Java? Huh? Java is a medicine for me. Don't worry for it. But all of you better to wear mask. Moreover, I have some distance along between you and me. Okay. Let's move to the punch can. Not mandatory immediately, but I will give that intimation to you when it is mandatory. Please holiday on Monday, sir. Give holiday. My online people are very much professionals. Right. Now coming to the streams, IO streams. See, one point I'm telling to you, observe carefully. In the applications not only in the case of Java, not only in the case of C and C++, in any of the applications, in all the applications, it is a common, thing to perform input and output operations. It's a very frequent requirement to perform, is a common thing to perform input and output operations. Understand it clearly. Then here, what is that input and what is that output? No, getting data to the Java program is nothing but input operation. Sending data from Java program, that means Java in the sense any program. Getting data inside the application is called as input operation. Sending data from program to outside is called as what? Their output operation. Everybody understand it clearly. So in all the applications, it is a common thing to perform input and output operations. Right. In a C and C++ applications, to perform input and output operations, we have to use some predefined library. In the form of printf, scanf. Printf is for what purpose then? Output operation. Scanf is for what purpose then? Input operation, cin, cout, cin and cout. Cin is for what purpose there? No, getting input. Cout is for what purpose there? No, sending output, sending outside. So and so on. These many predefined libraries here we are using. Everybody understand this point clearly. Similarly, in Java applications, to perform input and output operations, we have to use streams. Similarly, in Java, to perform input and output operations, we have to use what we have to use there? Streams. We have to use what there? Streams. Understand it? What I'm telling you now. Good. All right, sir. Then what is a stream actually? What exactly the meaning of the stream now? The stream is a channel or medium. Stream is a channel or medium. It allows the data in a continuous flow. It's not like one statement. In a continuous flow. Stream is a channel or medium. It allows the data in continuous flow from input devices to the Java applications, and from the Java applications to the output devices. Stream is a channel or medium. It allows the data in continuous flow from input devices to the Java applications and from Java applications to the output devices. This is the meaning of like what there? A stream. Got it or not? All right, sir. Now just I want to give some small diagram for it and try to understand this diagram. Simple diagram here we have to understand. Now this is a Java application. Java application. Now input devices here I'm going to provide. This is one input device. Right, sir. Now this is an input device here we have taken. What is this, sir? At least are able to recognize it. What I have drawn here? Okay, no problem. I'll give name. At least we can identify it. Keyboard. Okay. Yes, sir. I'm not good painter, but understand it. Context I can give. The keyboard. I had one personal experience about my keyboard. I had very good experience here. Can I share it? Yeah, right. Good. In my BTech first year, my status is first time I have seen the computer in my BTech first year. Before that, completely Telugu medium school, rural background, nothing. Okay, first time I seen the computer in my BTech first year lab only. That was the situation. So I went to the lab. That lab also with that actually my college is also under construction. My batch is the first batch. No, I think so second batch maybe. Where infrastructure is also be not available. Labs are also be not ready. Just 1 month before the exam, they conducted one lab with only 20 to 25 systems max. Out of for every system 2 to 3 members. Yeah, just we are seeing that computer with a big monitor and the ground might be CPU, keyboard, lengthy keyboard, this much of size mouse, like this. The first time I've seen it. Where everybody feeling wonder by seeing that computers. But some people are already having awareness on C programming language. Some of my friends who open that computer, they're doing fastly programs now. Then I'm checking their fingers now, how they're typing like this. Okay, good. Then finally, what happened there? My turn is coming. I have to write a program. Just it is like a welcome program. Welcome to college. That I have to write. It's a matter of 3 to 4 lines. Hash include yesterday.h. The next one is what there? Void main or something else. No. Then printf. Welcome to college. My college name. Okay. It seems program is okay. My sir has given this information inside the classroom there. On board, he has written program. It seems okay. Wait for me. But the thing is what there, I have to type it. That's the problem. Right, sir. Then my sir came to me, then he asked to me, just open the computer. But the biggest task is what there, how to open the computer. Every time I'm clicking on what there, monitor button only. Just it is coming, it is off. It is coming off. Arey yaar, what happened? Everybody is doing work there, but I'm switching on it, but it is not coming there. Later on, my lab in charge came to me. Arey yaar, you have to start CPU first. Start CPU. Where is CPU? Only monitor is there on a table. On the bottom of the table only that CPU is available. I'm checking. When I asked her that, where is CPU? No. Then it is available there. It is a box. Okay, fine. There button is there. But now, finally, I switched on computer. After that, what happened? It's okay. This is normal. At least we can identify it. But everybody is busy with their work only. Understand? Everybody is busy with my work only. Okay. My slot is coming there. Myself is only the person in front of the system. My slot is only a half-an-hour slot. Within that, I have to complete some practice. Then after starting the system, the next one is what there. Hash include statement I have to write. Hash I have to type. I'm searching in the keyboard where that hash is available, that symbol. Almost 15 minutes of time I've taken there. Then it is available on the top of the 3. I'm typing that no, 3 is displaying, but hash is not coming. Understand it now? Okay, fine. Then check it. Continuously 3 is coming there, but hash is not coming there. I don't know then how to operate with that. Fine. Finally, what happened there? After that, finally, with the help of some other friend there, I clicked on hash. Next one is I have to type what there? I in include. I'm thinking about A, B, C, D, F, G, H, I. Okay, I'm searching for A. After this A, B is not available. Arey yaar, what happened? After A, S is there. Why B is not available? B is available somewhere else. No, C is at somewhere else. Arey yaar, this keyboard is wrong. I called my lab and sir, this is keyboard, wrong keyboard you have given to me. Please send one more keyboard now. Then entire class at a single minute they are laughing by looking at my face now. Keyboard is wrong, sir. Then keys are not in properly arranged. No, please give one more keyboard there. No. Then by later on he said to me, "Arey yaar, every keyboard is like that only. You have to search for the keys." No, but still I have a doubt with me about this question. Why keyboards keys are available like this? Any answer from your side? Still, right from my BTech first year onwards, I got this doubt. Why keyboard keys are available like this? Why they are not in a properly ordered? If it is at A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, it's very simple for us. No, you will not look at that keyboard. No, I will take one stick on by using stick itself. I can type it. No, it is still my doubt. Still, it is available with me. Okay, so there is a personal experience there. No? Then I asked my lab in charge there. Please send one more keyboard. It is not good, properly not ordered. Okay, I think misconfigurations are available with the keyboard now. But later on we understood that every keyboard is like that only. Yeah, moreover, what I have done there, after the lab, I checked other systems keyboards also. Okay, happy. Now everybody is available like this only. Right, let's move to the point here. So this is a keyboard, what we have there. Now this is Java application. Then one more diagram I'm providing, but you have to understand. Understanding is your responsibility, but drawing that providing diagram is my responsibility. But don't ask to me this at least. What is this actually? I think you understood it, right? Right, not much difficult to understand it. Okay, sir. Mouse wire also I given. Good. Wireless, sir. Okay. But my technology is wire with wire only, right? Next one, sir. After this, I think one more thing here I have to provide. Yes, right. Now you will understand this clearly. Guess it, sir. What is it? Sir? Yeah, perfection. So this is, I think you already attended my class previously. This is like what their network. Okay, right. The next one is what there. We can generate the data, input the data through these many devices. Maybe from keyboard, maybe from mouse, or maybe from what there network. From network also input data is coming. Understand it? From internet, network in the sense not any other one. Internet. From internet also we are getting some input data. Now what is going to be happen? All this data here we have to take into the system. All this data, whatever the data we are going to generate from these many devices, no, the data here we are going to get into the system. To get these details into the system, here we required a channel or a medium we required. Understand it clearly. Okay, now the data is coming like this. Observe carefully. From keyboard, data is coming to this location. Next one is what there. From mouse also with the data is coming here. Then after this, from network also the data is coming like this. Overall data is coming to the this medium or channel from input devices now. This medium or channel is able to carry the data, to like what there, to the Java program. All right, sir. Now here Java instructions are available. Java instructions are available like this. All right, data is coming to the Java program. That's okay, fine. Next one is I want to do some process over the data and I want to send that processor data to the output devices. Now I need to take some output devices now. All right, sir. Now here I want to take some output devices. This is one of the output device. You have to recognize it. What is this now? But don't ask to me what is this device here. Is it? Yeah. At least for the sake of my satisfaction, you have to give that answer, no? Okay, fine. But still, people are not recognizing my diagrams, no? Monitor. All right, sir. Next one is after this, after completion of this. Another one here we are going to take now. Monitor is okay. Uh, there is a task, another task. Now you have to recognize it, what it is actually. Let me complete the diagram first. Don't say another monitor. Perfect. You recognize my diagrams. Nice. Right, sir. Okay. I tried for it, but not in good. Your assumption is right. Printer only. I understood that you are completely tuned with my classes now. So you will not interested for any other faculty class. I'm sure about it now. Why? Because by seeing my diagrams like this. All right, next one. Already I given this question here. Of course, from Java application to the network also, we are going to send our data. This is like what their network. All right, sir. Now I need to send data from a Java program to output devices. These are the various output devices here we are having. All right, to send data from Java program to outside, again we require a channel. We need a channel or medium. Here we are using the channel or medium. Okay, right. Now here we can understand. All right, so the next one is what there apart from this. So finally, in this diagram, what we understood clearly the point, no, to take input data from input devices to send data from Java application to the output devices, we require some channels. Am I right or not? We need what then? Some channels or some medium is required. That medium or channels are called what there? Stream. It is called as what there? A stream. The same definition here I have given. Now this is what there? A stream. Stream is a channel or medium. It allows the data in continuous flow from input devices to Java application, from Java application to output devices. This is exactly the meaning of what there? A stream. The meaning of like what there? A stream. Clear. After that, after completion of this stream now, after understanding this basic point here, one more terminology I'm going to introduce. Observe carefully. Now, left side stream, whatever the stream here we are using, this stream is taking data from input devices and sending the data to the Java program. Am I right or not? So it is mainly for input operation or not? Sending data from outside in the sense input devices to the Java program. So this is like what their input operation. Am I right or not? So that's why this stream is called as what? Input stream. This stream is also be called as another name. Another name is available. That is what their reader. The stream which allows to read the data is called as what their reader. Input stream and what next one can know? Reader. Two things are available. Got or not? Similarly, a stream which allows the data to perform output operation. A stream we are using to send out data from Java application to the output devices now. So this is exactly the meaning of like what there. What's the meaning of it now? It's like what there? Output stream. All right, sir. Then what next one get now? This stream, this output stream is also be called as what there? Writer. This output stream is also be called as what there? Writer. Reader and a writer. Input stream and what next one here no? Output stream. So these are exactly the points here we have to understand about like what there? This is stream. The definition of this stream here we have to understand. All right, sir. Completed. After understanding the definitions to the stream now, after understanding this one here, how many types of streams are available? We need to understand it. But before that, one more small point here we have to understand. In Java, all right, sir. In Java applications, to represent streams, to represent streams, to represent streams, Java has provided Java has provided, what it has provided there, Java has provided a set of predefined classes in the form of java.io package. Alright, sir, all of you understand it clearly. To represent streams, Java has provided a set of predefined classes in the form of what there, java.io package. Remember this, in Java, we can create user-defined thread, no problem. We can create user-defined exception, no problem. But we cannot create user-defined stream. Only predefined streams. Inside the Java, we are having only what there, predefined streams. That's it. So many streams are available. In java.io package, so many streams are available. No need to create our own stream. Even it is not possible, not required. All right, sir. Now, this is about the predefined library. Next one is, after that, on the basis of the data, which is transferring, through the streams, there are two types of streams. Come again. What's the point I'm telling there? On the basis of the data, on the basis of the type of data, which is transferring through the streams, there are two types of streams. On the basis of the types of the data, on the basis of the data type, which type of data we are transferring in the streams, on the basis of that, two types of streams are available. What are the two types of streams? No, byte oriented streams, and the second one is what there, character oriented streams. Byte oriented streams, and second one is what there, character oriented streams. So what is this byte oriented streams actually? The name itself is giving clarity. Byte oriented streams are able to allow the data, it allows the data in the form of bytes, in the form of what there, bytes, in a continuous flow from input devices to the Java application, and from Java application to the output devices. So it allows the data in continuous flow in the form of bytes. It allows the data in the form of bytes in a continuous flow from input devices to the Java applications, and from Java applications to the output devices. All right. Again, now I'm telling there about this byte oriented streams. Two more types are available. There are two types of byte oriented streams. There are two types of byte oriented streams. What are the two types of byte oriented streams? No, first one is input stream. First one is input streams, and second one is what there, output streams. Now here we have to understand what is the meaning of input streams. Input streams. These streams are able to allow the data in the form of bytes in a continuous flow from input devices to the Java applications. That's it. These input streams are able to allow the data in the form of bytes in a continuous flow from input devices to the Java application. Understand it now? Now, examples here I'm telling to you. All of you understand it clearly. Input to stream itself is an abstract class, is a predefined class. Input to stream, abstract class. We can identify this. After this, now here we need to have file input to stream, or before this file input stream, byte array input to stream, file input to stream, byte array input to stream, file input to stream. Then after that, after completion of this, data input to stream, data input to stream. After this data input to stream, other thing is like what there, buffered input to stream, and so on and so on and so on. So many stream classes are available. Okay. So input to stream, byte array input to stream, file input stream, data input stream, buffered input stream. These many stream classes are available. Right, sir. Next one. After that, observe carefully. All the stream classes are having ending word stream. The ending word is what there? Stream. Stream is what there? Ending word. All right, sir. This is input stream. Similarly, output streams. Here we have to understand. What is the meaning of these output streams actually? Output streams. These streams are able to allow. Right, sir. These streams are able to allow the data in the form of bytes in continuous flow from what? From Java applications to the output devices. From Java applications to the output devices. Right. What are the various examples for this output to streams? If we observe this clearly, so many things are available. First one is like what there? Output to stream is itself is a class, as an abstract class. Input to stream is an abstract class. Similarly, output to stream is also be like what there? An abstract class. Byte array output to stream. File output to stream. Data output to stream. Right, buffered output to stream. Next one is what? After this, print stream. Print stream. Like this. Here we are having number of streams. Right, sir? All of you are getting it or not? So overall, byte-oriented streams analysis here we understood. It allows the data in the form of bytes in a continuous flow from input devices to the Java applications and from Java applications to the output devices. There are two types of byte-oriented streams: input streams, output streams. Input stream is what there? These streams are able to allow the data in the form of bytes in a continuous flow from input devices to the Java application. Input stream, byte array input stream, file input stream. After that, data input stream, buffered input stream, and so on. Output stream. These streams are able to allow the data in the form of bytes in a continuous flow from Java applications to the output devices. Output stream, byte array output stream, file output stream, data output stream, buffered output stream, print stream, and so on. Right, sir? Now, similarly, another type is available. Another type is like what there? Character oriented streams. What is that? Another one here, no? Character oriented streams. Character oriented streams. So what this character oriented streams now? What you are going to understand it? Now here, observe carefully. The definitions are very simple. These streams are able to allow the data. It allows the data in the form of characters. These streams are able to allow the data in the form of what their characters in a continuous flow from input devices to the Java programs and from Java applications to the output devices here. All right, now this is like what their character oriented streams. Next one is there are two types of character oriented streams. What are the two types of character oriented streams now? First one is we can understand the very first one is right, sir, reader, and the second one is what their writer. First one is what the reader and the second one is what their writer. First here we have to understand reader. This reader is almost the same as what their input stream, but that input stream is a byte oriented stream and reader is what their character oriented stream only. That one is the difference again. Right, sir, but it is able to allow the data, it is able to read the data, or else maybe it is able to allow the data in the form of characters in continuous flow from input devices to the Java applications. It is able to allow the data in the form of characters in continuous flow from input devices to the Java applications. This is like what I'm telling to you, Radar. All right, sir. Now examples here I'm telling to you, observe carefully. All right, first of all, Radar itself is what there, an abstract class. Radar is available inside the IOSIMs. Radar itself is what there is a predefined class, abstract class. Next one is what there, file reader is a class only. Then before this file reader, another one is what there, char array reader. Char array reader, file reader. After this file reader, next one is what there, buffered reader. Buffered reader. String buffer reader, string buffered reader. All right, sir, like this. So many things are available here. We can identify clearly. Next one is after this. The second one is what there? Writer. We can identify this. Writer. Then what is the meaning of this writer actually? It's almost the same as like what their output to stream. But output stream is a byte oriented stream. Writer is what there? Writer is a character oriented stream. So now the point is what there? It is able to allow the data in the form of characters. It's able to allow the data in the form of characters in continuous flow from the Java applications to the output devices. From Java applications to the output devices. This is exactly the meaning of like what there, writer, reader and writer. Both here we understood clearly. Got it or not? All right, sir. Then what are the various examples for this one? If you observe these examples here, examples are very simple. Now here, writer itself is like what there? Writer is an abstract class itself, right? Char array writer. What's the next one here? No, char array writer. File writer. File writer. Buffered writer. String buffered writer. Next one is a print writer. And so on. So many things are available. So these are like what they're predefined library or predefined class are the types of the streams is what we are having clearly. And one simple point I'm telling to you, inside this, before this character oriented streams, byte oriented streams, if you observe this, then one node here I have to provide. What is the node here? No, understand it clearly. In the case of byte oriented streams, all the stream classes are ended with the word stream. Right or not? Ended with the word is what their stream. We can identify this. It may be like what their input streams or it may be like what their output stream. Every stream class is ended with what their the word stream. That is a recognition. Which stream is a byte oriented stream, which stream is not byte oriented stream. That is a recognition for us. All right, sir. This is one thing. Next, one more thing. Observe carefully. In the case of byte oriented streams, the length of the each and every data item, is 1 byte. The data will be transferred bits by bit like it. No, the length of the data item, each and every data item's length is what there 1 byte, not 2 bytes. Okay, right, sir. Next one is after this character oriented streams. Here we started regarding this character oriented streams. Inside this one note here I'm able to specify there. In the case of character oriented streams, the length of the data item, the length of the each and every data item is 2 bytes. Why? Because it's a type is what their character. The length of the each and every data item, is what their 2 bytes of memory. Why? Because the data type inside the character oriented streams is what their character. Character will take how much memory there? 2 bytes of memory. Byte will take how much memory? 1 byte of memory. Right, sir. Observe carefully. After this, another thing is what there, length is okay, fine, but before this length here, in the case of character oriented streams, all the stream classes, the length of the in case of character oriented streams, all the stream classes are ended either with a reader or with a writer. You know already this one. Just if we understand the classes, no, stream classes, all the readers are ended with what their reader, the word reader, but all the writers are ended with what their writer. We can understand it clearly. Everywhere we can see what their writer can. Almost all the reader classes are ended with the reader. Almost all the writer class are ended with what their writer. This is exactly the meaning of like what they types of streams what you are having clearly. Is it all of you are getting clarity or not? Just as a small introduction point here we have to understand. But anyway, I'm giving one simple indication to all of you. Whenever I'm going to talk about the streams and it's a topic there, blindly remember water pipe. Stream is nothing but what there? Water pipe. In that water pipe, water is flowing continuously. Yes, sir, got it or not? Just input streams and output streams in the sense from source to like what there. For example, just I given that example in the advanced Java class itself. But again, I'm telling to you, at the top of your house, water tank is available. Municipal water pipeline is available at the bottom of your house. Right, sir? Water is required at various locations in our house. So first what we are doing there, when municipal water pipeline is available at bottom, when municipal water is coming there at morning 7 o'clock, every day morning 7 o'clock we have to start the motor. That motor will dump the water from municipal water pipeline to what there? Water tank. Get my point or not? To the water tank we have to dump the water through the pipe. Next one is once water is existed, water is coming to the water tank, no, then we can dispatch that water to various locations in our house. Say for example, kitchen room. In the kitchen room we require water. All right, to dump water from municipal water pipeline to the water tank and to dispatch that water from water tank to the kitchen room, there we require some pipes. That pipes are nothing but what their streams. The simple that pipes are nothing but what their streams that we have to understand. Sir, are you getting it or not? Right, sir. So overall, the types of the streams here we understood. After completion of the types of the streams, there we are going to understand like what their file operations, the next topic. Right, sir? What is the next topic here? We are going to understand their file operations. What is the meaning of these file operations here? What we are understanding there? In Java applications, it is a very frequent requirement to send data to a particular target file. All right, sir. In Java applications, it is a very frequent requirement to send data to a particular target file and to get data from a particular source file. It's a very frequent requirement to perform the input and output operations with the files. Sending data to a file and getting data from the file, these are very much frequent requirements. So to perform or maybe performing input and output operations, with the files is called file operations. Understand it clearly. To perform file operations, Java has provided the following predefined library. What library? Here it has performed here. It has provided this. The first one is what there? File output to stream. Next one is what there? File input to stream. Third one is file writer. After this, what next one here? No, file reader. These are overall 4 options are available to perform these file operations. What are the 4 options to perform these file operations here? First one is what there? File output to stream. Next one is what there? File input to stream. Next one is what there? File writer. Next one is what there? File reader. In advanced Java, already we completed file writer and a file input stream. Am I right or not? These two things, file output stream and file input stream. These two things we completed already in advanced Java in a prerequisite part. But advanced Java to advanced Java, core Java is core Java. In core Java, we have to understand the content as per our own style. In advanced Java, up to how much it is required, up to that I have given there. But in core Java, we have to understand each and every point clearly. Right, sir. Now, first of all, let us start with the file output stream. What is the purpose of this file output stream? Here we have to understand what is the meaning of this file output stream. It can be used to send data from Java applications to a particular file. It can be used to send data from Java applications to a particular target file. Right, sir. How it is possible there? How we are able to send data from Java application to a particular target file? Right there, we have to use some steps. What steps here we have to use there? Understand it now. First of all, we need to take, this is Java application. Now this is a target file. Java application, and the next one is what there? Target file. The name of the target file is what there? Say for example, I want to take abc.txt. It might be available at some other location. All right, sir. Now step number one, what I am telling to you, create a file output stream from Java application to the target file. Create a file output stream from Java application to the target file. So how it is possible? File output stream FOS is equal to new file output stream of target file name abc.txt comma true value. Why the true value we provided, I will explain to you later on. But first of all, understand it. File output stream FOS is equal to new file output stream of abc.txt. Okay. You see this one? Already we completed. Now here we have to understand, to perform or to send data from Java applications to the target file, we have to use the following steps. What are the various steps here we have to use there? First one is what there? Create file output to stream object. Create file output stream object. How we are able to create this file output stream object? No, file output to stream FOS is equal to new file output to stream. Right, so now here we have to provide like what there? Some target file name abc.txt. Name and location here we have to provide, where true value or something else here we are able to provide. Right, there is an internal flow. Try to understand this internal flow about this. What is that internal flow for this particular application there? Understand it, no? First of all, JVM will take the parameter of the file output stream. What's the parameter value we provided this? The parameter value is what there? abc.txt. First, JVM will take abc.txt file name from the file output stream class constructor. Okay. Then after that, JVM will search for this file. If this file is available, it's okay, well and good. If this file is not available, then what is going to be happen? You'll understand it now. For example, if the specified file abc.txt file is not existed, in the specified location, if that file is not existed, if it is not available, in general we are expecting file not found exception, but not in the case of this file output stream. No file not found exception. In the case of this file not found, in the case of this file output stream, if the specified file is not available, no need to worry for it. Simply JVM will create a new file with the same name. JVM will create a new file with the same name, abc.txt. That's it. Without providing any file not found exception, without raising any file not found exception, JVM will create a new file with the same name. JVM will create a new file with what there? With the same name. Yes, sir. All of you are getting this point or not? So this is exactly the meaning of like what there? File output to same. For example, if the file is not available, this is the situation. In the case, if the file is available, already file is existed here, then what it has to do there? If the file is available directly, what it is able to do there? Directly, it is able to, if the file is available, then directly it is able to establish that file output stream from Java application to the target file here. Now understand it clearly. Directly it is able to establish that file. That means that file output stream from Java application to the target file. Now observe carefully. Now this file is going to be, file output stream is going to be generated. Tell me, sir. Once again, now tell me what exactly the flow of execution here we are understanding there. When we create, that means when we create this file output stream FOS is equal to new file output stream. When we create this, JVM will take the provided file name. What is that provided? Provided file name is what there? abc.txt. Then JVM will search for the abc.txt in the specified location. If it is not available, JVM will create a new file with the same name abc.txt. In the case if the file is available already, then it will establish file output stream from Java application to the target file. This is going to be happen clearly. Got or not? No chances of getting file not found exception in the case of file output stream. Clear. This is okay, fine. One point here. Next one is what? After this, after completion of this, another point is what there? When file output stream is ready, whenever this file output stream is ready, then what next one here we have to do? We have to declare the data that we want to send it to the target file. Declare the data that we want to send it to the target file. How we are going to declare the data now? Observe carefully. Now string data is equal to something else like what there? Say for example here I want to provide like what there? Hello. The data here I want to send. So this data I want to send. Now here we can understand it now. This is like what there? Hello data. Right, sir. That is available Java program. Now tell me. All of you now tell me. What is the stream class name here we are using? What is the stream class name here we are using? Is it a file output to stream? Am I right or not? That file output stream is ended with the word stream or not? File output stream is ended with the word stream or not? So this is stream will come under which type of stream now? Byte oriented stream or character oriented stream? Byte oriented stream. It is what there? Byte oriented stream. It is not character oriented stream. If it is a byte oriented stream, it is able to allow the data in the form of bytes or not? If it's a byte oriented stream, it is able to allow the data in the form of bytes. But our data is available in the form of what? In the form of string. The data is available in the form of what there? String. But I require the data in the form of what there? Bytes. So I need to convert the data from string type to bytes type or not? I have to convert the data from string type to bytes type here. Now observe carefully. To convert the data from bytes type to string type, here we have to use a method. What is that method here we have to use there? Byte array bytes is equal to data dot get bytes method is available. Byte array bytes is equal to data dot get bytes method is available. Right, now here what happened there? Now this data will be converted to byte array. This data will be converted to byte array. Right, sir. Inside these, some values here we are able to have there. What values here we are able to store here from inside this? No, some ASCII values are going to be stored. These are the characters data. ASCII values are going to be stored. Some name, some ASCII values here, bytes only. The 78 or maybe something else like what there, 74 or 69 or something else might be, but not exactly ASCII values here, but ASCII values only, not really ASCII values. Okay, fine. Whenever we are getting that byte array data, we have to write that byte array to what their file output stream. To write byte array data to the file output stream, then what we have to do there? FOS dot write of bytes. FOS dot write of, like what there, what method here we have to call there, bytes. Now understand it clearly. Now FOS dot write of bytes, that method here we are writing. When we write this method now, automatically the total byte array data will come to like what there, file output stream. There we are able to get like what there, zeros and ones here we are providing. Here we are providing like what there, zeros and ones here we are getting. See, these are the byte oriented streams only. So the data will be provided in the form of like what there, zeros and ones only. When the data is available like this, no, automatically the data will come to the text file. In the text file, the data will be saved automatically in a text representation. File output stream will convert the data internally. There we are not going to think much about it. Automatically the hello data will come to like what there, will come to the respective target file. Hello data we provided Java program, but the same data is coming to the text file by having this type of conversions. All right, sir. Whenever we completed this total process there, at the end, we have tried like what there, FOS dot close method. Close the byte oriented stream. Close this file output stream now. Why? Because it's a convention to close the resources once we open them inside the Java applications. In general, we are going to close the resources inside the Java applications at the end. Even if we don't want to close the resources explicitly, there we have to use at least try catch finally. Sorry, at least we have to use try with resources option. In a try with resources option, JVM will close the resources automatically. Right or not? Right, so now this is the simple diagram what we are having about this file output stream. Now let me complete that steps also. Right, sir. Now this is step number 1, where what is going on internally. When we execute, when we execute the above program, above instruction, when we execute the above instruction, JVM will search for the provided target file at the target location. When we execute the above instruction, JVM will search for the provided target file at the target location. Understand it clearly. After this, if the provided target file does not exist, then JVM will create a new file with the same name and JVM with the same name. If the provided target file exists, then the JVM will create file output to stream with the target file. File output stream with the target file. This is the total process here what we have taken. Next one is after that. The second step now, declare the data which we want to send to the target file. Declare the data which you want to send to the target file. Now string data is equal to just some welcome message. Welcome to Durgasoft. Like this here we are going to prepare some message now. Third one is what there, convert the data from string type to its equivalent bytes types, bytes, it equivalents bytes. So further purpose what we have to do there, byte array, bytes is equal to data dot get bytes method. Automatically the data is coming in the form of like what there, get bytes method. Next one is after that, send data to the file output to stream. Now FOS dot write of bytes. If we do like this, automatically the data will be submitted to the target file. At last here, what we have to do there, close the file output to stream. Close the file output stream. How we are going to close this file output stream here? FOS dot close method. FOS dot close method. That's finished. Now this is the total scenario here. We can identify about like what there file output to streams. So got or not? Right. So diagram also we can shown there. Diagrammatic representations also be provided. Right. After completion of this total diagram, the remaining part is what there. I have to prepare an example on the basis of this particular content. Okay. Right, sir. Then tomorrow we will see the content about this. The continuously we are going to understand. And tomorrow at what time we have to come here? So tomorrow at 8 o'clock we have to come here. Then 8 to 1 o'clock continuously we are going to understand this IO streams topic only. Right, so tomorrow also I am going to use workshop link. Even if it is not possible for you to come here, at least attend in online. Why I am giving that workshop link there? Because of this reason only. Right, sir. Monday onwards, then definitely I will change that link there. I will use that regular links. Monday onwards, everybody has to come for the classes regularly. Monday in the sense Christmas Day, right? Okay, then tomorrow we'll decide for it. Or else, then what is the requirement to make it is pending now? Let's go for voting there. How many of you are interested to come on Christmas Day? Raise your hands. Yeah, result is very clear. All remaining members are not interested, so no class on Monday. Yeah, okay. Then I'll ask second question also. How many of you are not interested to come on Christmas Day? Some people are not raising your hand for both the cases. No, I said to you number of times, either male or female. Now, finally, I'm asking there. Supporting for class on Monday. Please raise your hands. Right, sir. Not supporting for class on Monday. Raise your hands. Yeah, these hands are more. Okay, confirmed it. What's the result now? What's the result now? No class on Monday, right? Take rest. Don't worry. Take rest. And Tuesday onwards, we'll go for the classes now, right? But tomorrow there is a long session. Please remember it. No second thought. I will come here. I will take the class now. Both offline and online class are available here. Right, sir? Take few minutes break and come back. I'll go for the advanced Java class.